What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is a whole house cleaning video for you guys. And today I'm actually collabing with Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part. She has a new channel. It is super awesome because she's grown so much so fast. You guys need to go check out her channel if you haven't heard of her. She has a beautiful home with a beautiful family, and she does all kinds of lifestyle videos like me, so I know you guys will love her. So go please check her out so you can get that extra motivation. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is start with some laundry. I'm going to be washing my bedding because it's about that time. So some of the products I'm going to be using are new products to me. They're the Eco or E-Cover fabric softener and the Zum Clean laundry detergent. So these are both non-toxic cleaning products. I will have the links for them down below so you guys can go and check them out. But I love the smell that they are giving our clothes and blankets. You guys, I'm really excited about my new products. So I'm going to go ahead and put up some clothes that were kind of just hang drying and put those away. And I forgot a sheet. Yes, so I had to wash that later. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off our nightstands. You guys ask me about our bedroom set really often. We get it from American Warehouse Furniture, and this is my gratitude book. I write in every night. I write what I am grateful for. I just kind of take inventory for all of my blessings.
I'll follow you.
If you guys are over here from Ashley's channel, you should definitely consider subscribing. I actually have some more videos in the description box if you want to check those out also and kind of get to know me. But I would love to have you over here on my channel and join my little family here on the internet. So we are going to go ahead and go through these socks. You guys, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I hate doing socks and that we're always missing one. So I felt a little lucky today. I actually found a bunch of matches, so it really made things a little bit easier. And this is the little picture that Ava made for Father's Day. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up our little knickknacks here on our dresser. I'm using the Wood Method Cleaner for the wood. And then I usually just get my microfiber towels from like Amazon and some random places. I just kind of I know the material that I like and I buy them. I do have my Amazon shop or Amazon store page link down below, and that has like all of the things I have in my house, a lot of my favorite items and stuff like that. So if you guys are looking for anything that I do have, I have that Amazon store down below.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow.
So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Personic vacuum cleaner. They were so nice enough to send me a vacuum cleaner and also one of you guys, which was super awesome. This is actually the first time I've ever had a cordless vacuum cleaner, and it's super duper awesome to me because I don't have to worry about plugging it in somewhere else and all of that stuff. The little barrel on it actually goes a long way. I haven't had to change it too much. And I'll actually have a link for the vacuum cleaner down below if you want to check them out too. And I will see if I have a discount code for you guys too if you guys are looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner. So now we're going to go ahead and just clean up the bathroom, just kind of put things away, tidy up, wipe down the counters and stuff like that. So I am using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner for the mirrors and then the Method Anti-bac for the counters. And I like my product to kind of sit there, so that's why I'll like spray it and then go in with the mirrors and then go down in the sinks and clean the sinks. Do you guys like at the bottom of your mirror have a lot of like toothpaste and water splatters from like getting ready in the day? I feel like it's like the worst, dirtiest little area, and I just always have to like scrub it.
Birds singing loud in the palm trees on the beach like next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder.
So now we're gonna go ahead and dry the blankets and then start a new load. I feel like I'm really getting stuff done on this day. I was like, yes, on to the next load. So now I'm going to go ahead and just clean the top of the wash machine because it had a lot of like dust and build up from just like lint and stuff. So that's what I'm using the glass cleaner or the surface cleaner on right now. So I also like to go in the sides of my wash machines, like not when I'm doing a deep clean, just kind of like a random clean, and kind of keep that area clean because there is a lot of dust buildup in that area and it just sticks there. So I wiped that and it was all good. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Prasonic vacuum cleaner and vacuum the stairs. And like I said, it's so light and easy, so I really, really liked it. Now we are downstairs in my kitchen area and we're gonna clean up the kitchen. We had stuff everywhere. It's summertime, it's summer vacation, everybody's home, so it's like, I swear, like we're either eating all day, doing activities at the table all day. It's really hot in Arizona, so you can't go out that much until like in the evening time or really early in the morning. We've been going to the park like at 7 in the morning with Ava and Remy, and then we will go at like 7 at night. So right now I am using my Method Pink Grapefruit. I think it's like the grapefruit scent. I love it. So if you're not new to my channel, you know I always have a lot of dishes to do. So we're just putting away some dishes, and then I will end up putting away these clean ones and then also hand washing some. I like to try and hand wash like my pots and pans and not put them in the dishwasher just because I usually need them later that day, or I just don't want too much taking over the dishwasher so it can like clean properly or clean more thorough. And then I didn't get that on film, but Isaiah actually took the trash out while I was doing the dishes, so that's why it just disappeared. Oh, and I did just get this new marble dry dish mat, and I got it from Walmart. I'll try and link it below. But oh my god, it's so cute. I think it was like $4.99 or $6.99. I'm not exactly sure, but you guys know I love those dry dish mats instead of actual dish racks. I just think that they're super convenient. You can just like throw it in the washer and wash it. You can put it in your drawer and put it away. I just love it. And this one is so cute. And then a lot of you guys know I did go back to using just regular Cascade dishwasher soap because I tried a couple non-toxic ones, those pods, and the pods actually left residue inside of a lot of my cups and glasses. So I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for a new non-toxic laundry detergent that doesn't leave harsh residue on the glass. So right here I am just cleaning out my trash can. A lot of you guys asked me about this trash can. It is from Simple Human. It has like the voice and the sensor, so it just kind of opens up on its own. I will link that down below. I think I have it in my Amazon store actually. I know a couple of you guys picked one up, and this one's actually in the rose gold, I believe. So right here I actually took the broom out and then realized I hadn't cleaned the counters, and I actually like to clean the tops of the counters first before I clean the floor because things kind of fall off the counters when you're wiping them, and then I will have to sweep again. So I am using the Barkeeper's Friend on my glass top stove. That is what I use for the sink or the stove when I want to clean it. And I just picked some a new bottle up from Ross. They actually had it like for $2.79 there, so I was like, I need to get this bottle. And then poor Remy just got neutered or whatever. He just had surgery, so he's wearing this cone for a couple of weeks, you guys. It's so sad, and we're trying to just spoil him with like love and treats and toys and all of that stuff. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some motivation or inspiration from it. Don't forget to check out Ashley's video. I will have her information linked below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.